To this story now, the murder trial of former ANC Youth League Secretary General Sindiso Magaqa is expected to finally begin today. The ANC councillor was gunned down in a drive-by shooting back in 2017 along with two others. He died in a hospital a few weeks later. Our reporter Manqoba Mchunu is at the Pietermaritzburg High Court and joins us live now with more. Good morning, Manqoba. Finally, the actual trial gets underway. Talk to us about what we're expecting today.
Indeed, Fundo, that trial is expected to get underway today, and what we do expect, of course, is for those four accused to plead before court. They will be asked to plead whether they will be pleading guilty or not. And of course, we recall, Fundo, that they have said it in their bail application that they intend to plead not guilty. In fact, they're saying that they are innocent, they have done nothing wrong. And of course, this matter is expected to continue today, and we do expect also the first witness to be called into the stand if it does get underway. The state has indicated that it is in fact ready to proceed with this matter. We recall that there has been quite a number of hiccups in the previous years. It was meant to take place in 2019, but however there were many delays that ultimately saw this trial now coming to this particular court today. But we are hoping, Fundo, perhaps that it will indeed get underway. We do know that these four accused will be facing charges of murder, conspiracy to commit murder, as well as attempted murder. And this relates to the shooting of Sindiso Magaqa in July 2017. He was not alone. There were also two other people that were also shot and injured during that incident, a drive-by shooting that had happened in Mzimkhulu. And those two witnesses, we understand, are also going to take the stand in this particular trial. But there are 64 witnesses that the state is intending on calling in this particular matter. We do know that it has been set down from today up until the 12th of August. So we are expecting, Fundo, perhaps to see this matter after 5 years finally, being heard in court. But how today will pan out, I think we'll have to wait and see for now.
Manqoba, are there any perhaps ANC members there in court today that will come and listen into proceedings? Because I remember when Sindiso passed away, it really touched the nation. The likes of Julius Malema were there. You had Zizi Kodwa. Every young lion, as you will, was there on the day. But there was heavy police presence, something that we realized was the prevailing political climate in KZN. Are there any ANC members today who are aware of the proceedings that get underway today?
Well, Mfundo, today we haven't seen any of those ANC members, and I don't know how much of an impact the other case that is taking place here today in KwaZulu-Natal, that of eThekwini regional chair Zandile Gumede is having on this particular case. But we haven't seen any of the ANC members. What we have seen, though, are some members of the family that had gone inside court. But as far as those supporters and ANC members are concerned, it's quiet here outside court. I can tell you that they are not here this morning, but of course, we are still waiting to see. Perhaps they're still coming. We're not sure at this particular point. But what we do understand is that the state has indicated that they want to proceed with this trial. So hopefully things are going to begin today here at the Pietermaritzburg High Court, where this case will be heard.
All right, Manqoba, we'll leave it there for now. That's reporter Manqoba Mchunu out at the Sindiso Magaqa trial.